Mixing up activities like running, swimming, cycling, and rowing reduces your risk of injury while promoting total fitness. Hi, I'm Dr. Wright. If you're thinking of getting back into the fitness swing, you may want to take a few precautions before you begin. First, don't be a weekend warrior, packing a week's worth of activity into a day or two. Try to maintain a moderate level of activity throughout the week. Learn to do your sport right. Using proper form reduces your risk of overuse injuries such as tendonitis and stress fractures. Remember safety gear. Depending on the sport, this may mean knee, wrist pads, or a helmet. It would be a shame to just get started in a routine and then have to stop for a sprained ankle. Increase your exercise level gradually. Strive for a total body workout of cardiovascular, strength training, and flexibility and balance exercises. Engage in cross-training. Mixing up activities like running, swimming, cycling, and rowing reduces your risk of injury while promoting total fitness. Cross-training also keeps you motivated. So get out and get active, but be smart before you start.